Lovelees, it's Frederica and I am back for another video. Today's video I'm going to do a Goodwill haul. It's been a while since we've done a Goodwill haul, so we're going to do it, okay? I got some shirts, I got pants, I think I found a jacket or two, so let's just get into it, okay? The first shirt, and I don't know, if you guys been following me a while, you know that any shirt that you see, I wear it like it's a sweatshirt. That's kind of how I style my shirts. I treat them like they're a sweatshirt. So that's how I do it. And sometimes I'll dress it up too. This right here is a very good quality shirt, and it's made like this. Buttons in front. It's got 2 pockets. And this is very quality, high quality shirt. Very heavy. I could only wear this in the winter for real. This one was $5.99. Okay. And what's the brand? Oh, it's by Old Navy. You can see Old Navy. Okay. I gotta wash these still. Then the next shirt, this replaces a shirt that I had in previous vlogs that you probably seen. It's made like denim, and I've done it in a couple of how it was styled videos. So I was glad to find a different shirt like that one, because that one is kind of getting old. I can still wear it, but it's getting old, so I don't wear it as much because it's playing out. But this one is $5.99, and I love it. Another good quality shirt. It's by the brand Flag and Anthem Dry Goods Supply, size medium. By the way, these were men's shirts. These are men's shirts. I don't find anything good in the ladies' long collared shirts, so I don't go there. I go to the men's department to get my shirts, basically. The ones that I don't get from my husband, when he was giving them to me a while ago. This is another good shirt I found. I think I told you that was $5.99. That was $5.99, I think. Let's make sure. I'm not sure if I told you guys the price. Okay, yeah. $5.99. I told you the brand, but I don't know if I told you the price. That one's $5.99. Then this shirt was really cute. I have a shirt similar to this. It's also in a How We Style vlog where I wore the white coat that I got from DD's discount. So this shirt right here is similar to that same shirt, but it's got different colors. Because the one shirt that I do have has got purple stripes in it instead of these orange ones. You see the orange detail. So this is really pretty. I love the quality of it. And this one is by this brand. I never heard of that. It's by that brand. And this one came in at $49. That one. I got kind of a big haul for you guys today. And this one, I like this shirt. I don't really like how it feels. It's not feel very soft, so I don't know. I don't know how me and this one gonna work out. But you see it for the sake of the vlog. $5.99. And this one is by Made Flex Flag Anthem or something like that. Flag and Anthem shirts, but I don't know if it's made, if it's cotton or what. It's wrinkle resistant, quick drying, and stuff like that. Built-in stretch, but I'm not sure the material. But I mean, we'll see. If it doesn't feel comfortable, I will be donating this back. $5.99. Okay. This one is another cute shirt. It's similar to a shirt that I have, but I thought this was really cute. I like the detail and the color. I can style this a lot of different ways. This is going for $6.99. And this one was by, let's say this is by Old Navy. I didn't even know Old Navy had all these button-down shirts. When I go there, I never see button-down shirts there. Maybe I just don't look in that section. Because mostly when I go there, I go and look for like jeans for my son. Which is probably where I need to go. I'll buy some good jeans there for him. Because he's just school run. But it's so close to Christmas, I don't really want to buy anything. It would kind of be a waste, you know? So I'm trying to wait till Christmas shopping comes. So look at this, guys. This is cute. I love the collar. Never gonna see the collar, you know, when you have it around your neck. But it's a very cute shirt. I will be able to style this a lot of different ways. So I don't try these on because, like I tell you guys, I always bring you those how it was styled videos. So we don't have to do that. I got some more items that I have to show you too. I found these nice pants right here. Green. Joggers. Then I found these. This is by Shein. It said tall, small, but tall, so I probably have to cut these at the end. They're too long. But this is the pants right here. This is how they made in the back. Very cute. Can't style those. Then I found this cute little Adidas track jacket. This one was like $9.99. The Goodwill has gone up, and they don't have 50% off discounts anymore. And those bags that I used to get, those mystery dozen bags, you guys know, sometimes it was a hit or miss with them. Sometimes they were good, sometimes they weren't good, stuff like this. I don't know what size this was, probably a medium, but yeah, this is cute. This style that. And I found this cute little shirt. I have a skirt exactly like this if I kept it. I'm not sure I still have a skirt. But I can style this in a lot of different ways. I think this could be for the holiday, you know. So cute. I could do polka dots, something for the holiday. Very cute. That didn't say who it was by. I don't know who that was by. Then I saw this beautiful shirt, and my favorite olive green shirt. It's called Waymaker, and it's a religious shirt, Christian shirt, and I love it because we all know Jesus is a waymaker. This is good. I like that. Then these jeans, I tried these on when I get home because I do not try jeans on when I'm in the store, but if I know the brand, then I just get it, you know. So this was by Arrow. These are high-rise jeans and a size 10 regular. They fit very nicely. So yeah, get those. Can't have too many white shirts. I found this shirt there. It's Express. This could be also for the holiday because I like the detail. It's glittery. Hope you guys can see that. It's a white shirt, medium. Another white shirt. I don't have a lot of white shirts. This is by the brand Time and True. I think it's a Walmart brand. This was a size medium. I got this shirt there. And these pants reminded me of some pants that I had got from DD's. So I just got them again. But these I didn't get from DD's. I thrifted these. And it's in this pretty colorway. Green and white. And I love it. I think these are so cute. I don't know what size these are. And I don't know who they're by. Let me see. Oh, they're by Shein. They're size small, they said. So, Shein, small. See it right here. Then, I got this pants. I don't know what these are by. Oh, okay, these are Lee Premium denim jeans. Lee Premium. Like this. Very like wide leg, denim, good quality denim. And last but not least, are these purple and white joggers. They're like this at the bottom, which I really like these kind of joggers nowadays. I don't like the other ones that kind of like taking it at the bottom. I like these if I can find them. I like both of them, but I'm going towards these more because you can style them more with shoes and things like that. So this is by the brand NYL New York Laundry. So yeah, this is the quality, and the quality is pretty good. So I can't wait to style them either. So yes, that's the end of the thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.